Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Welcome on board with us. I am here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about Emmet fasting powder reviews. So guys, yes, if you want to grab information or excited about to get more knowledge about it, then please stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, yes, just question for you, are you on your fasting and you wanted to have more strength during the fasting days? So yes guys, this is a nutrient powder drink to help you to get support during your fasting hours. It helps you to build up your strength so that you can live up to more hours without having any food. The fasting powder is made with high quality ingredients to support intermittent fasting. The nutrients and the fasting powder elements are keto free, which makes it very suitable for your fasting days. So guys, yes, as per the information, the product is made for the United States customer who wanted to have a sugar-free, nutrient-full drink. So yes, guys, this ingredients in the drink will get you more and more strength and will not you crave for the tasty, delicious food. You will quickly get more strength after having this drink. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like, share the video and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, yes, as per the latest reports, it is a powder that can be used as a drink mix. It gives you stability to the body during the fasting days. It uses very complex ingredients to keep in view the customers hashtag 39 demands for the intermittent days. So guys, as per the information, no artificial colors, sweeteners, and it is free of sugar too. As per the latest information, the excellent cycle to a body, the fasting powder will burn the fat and work as an energy source rather than being a reason for your fat. So all those people who are health conscious and wanted to have something that is sugar free and fat free during their fasting days, it can give you a lot of support. So guys, yes, how to use the Emmet fasting powder is the main question of the viewers. We'll give you answer. As per the information, look at some of the steps you're going to help it out. Firstly, 1 scoop of the fasting powder is to be mixed in about 80 z of water. You get to drink the tropical breeze flavor drink. It helps you out in your fasting days. When we talk about its benefits, it is dairy free and you get it at convenience, and it is free from fat. It helps you during your fasting days. It does not include GMO or gluten at all. It is for health conscious people. It protects the muscles and tissues and also helps in promoting weight loss. So when we talk about the customer reviews for the product, we find it that people are loving it and they wanted to buy it again and again during their fasting days because it gives them a reason to fast and they do not lose any weight using it. If you wanted to lose some weight, you can get this product also. The product is easy to use and adds up energy. So guys, yes, if you like our information and find it great and suitable for you, then do like, share, comment, and for the latest news and updates like this, please guys do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for being such a warm audience. We'll come again with the next video soon. Till then, be safe and be informed.